How to burn belly fat on a treadmill, is it possible? It's becoming more and more awkward about your belly fat no longer allowing you to wear certain types of clothes. Reason why you have decided to get rid of all the fat accumulated over the years on the belly. However, the question you ask yourself is whether this is possible with a treadmill. To that end, this video tells you about the wonders of this device. What is a treadmill? It's very effective for playing sports at home. The treadmill is a cardio fitness equipment. It simply allows you to run or walk at your own pace without being subjected to the elements of nature. In addition, you do not lose any of the benefits that you will get while walking on the street. Treadmills can be used by everyone. It has a tread belt accompanied by an included motor. It is also equipped with an adjustable speed device. Considered the ultimate slimming device, the treadmill can be used in several ways. Its use depends on the purpose and the result you want to have. In the rest of this video, you will know how to use it to lose weight in the stomach. How to use the treadmill to lose belly fat. Most people don't know that they can lose weight in their stomachs by running. In fact, by walking or running you set your body in motion. This allows blood to circulate throughout the entire body, thus promoting fat burning. It's the same process with the treadmill, the only difference being that you are free to increase the speed of your machine as you see fit. However, to avoid creating another problem, it is advisable to gradually increase the duration and intensity of your sessions. Avoid tiring yourself quickly by walking fast or slowly. To lose weight very quickly with the treadmill, you just need to speed things up a little, and run or use the incline. In cases where you have trouble with the incline, just take a brisk walk instead. If you want to have a lasting result, it is best to use the treadmill continuously. Get up in the morning and get 30 minutes of exercise in, dividing it up as follows. 1. Walk for 15 to 20 minutes at a steady pace. 2. For the remaining 10 or 15 minutes, end your session by opting for a slower pace. As your body gets used to it, increase the duration of your exercise. You can also tilt the treadmill to speed up the calorie loss process. It will allow you to work on your waist at the same time. Don't forget to add a balanced diet to all of this. The treadmill promotes overall weight loss. By using it to lose belly fat, you also work all parts of your body. With this method, you will be able to perform a wide variety of exercises during physical activity. There's another option you should consider when wanting to lose weight and burn fat. Click the link in the description for detail. Please subscribe, like and share to this YouTube channel.